कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kumbajule manlausnam kapenthor umkra Presbyterian Secondary School mentakasngi ka pratri uyayong arajar pusau kelas dang byang men penlong ka annual sports meet hamadan urkaliar yakini ka annual sports meet lawan men play du ba sambor lang ding do ublalong kumukongsan hakini kasngi hakajing don ringkat lang jong headmistress jong ni school ka pipong room kinong hikai baki Khynnah school Hagar Sni Rasdang Shuar ka March Pass, Hakabala Shim Bynta rig South Lake House, Kataga Jade House, Garnet House, Topaz House, Barka Sapphire House, but hading getting a March Pass la boat sa Kijinga Mare, but Kiwi Day Kijinga Lekai.
We the students of Pantorumkra Presbyterian Secondary School and all the teachers, we cordially invite today in our midst our chief guest, Mr. Samborlang Dingdo. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here today to be with us, to be the chief guest in our annual school sports. And thank you so much for your help and your cooperation to uplift the spirit of sportsmanship to all the students in this area and in this constituency. And I greet all the students of our school to take part in the school sports meet with the spirits of sportsmanship. And all of you enjoy this day and take part in all the events organized by the school.
I would like to stress on two things. As part of your extracurricular activities for your syllabus, we have decided to allow you, all the schools rather, to utilize this ground for the month of April and May. And in order to maintain a proper sports decorum, a meeting was held on the 14th of February 2024 at the office chamber of our Honorable Deputy Commissioner, whereby both the landowners were being called upon, and we heavily stressed on making this particular ground into a proper sporting hub, and to eliminate all these antisocial elements. So what transpires from that meeting was that after we had examined the status of the case, as we all know this is still a disputed land, both landowners were present on that day. And after we have examined the status of the case, it is understood that it still takes time for this case to be disposed. And with due respect to both the landowners, Kong Saramon Dingdo and the MES from here, we have requested them that for the time being, until and unless the case has not been disposed, let the district administration take over this particular plot of land. And we will develop this place into a very good sporting atmosphere. We will erect an entrance gate over there, and we will do a proper fencing on the entire stretch of this ground. So immediately after the meeting on that very same day, we had come here, we had taken the measurement of that entrance gate, we have taken the measurement of the whole plot for the proper fencing, and it's a 16 meter stretch, the entrance, and we will erect a 6-meter gate so as to streamline the entry and exit of people into this ground. So after all these things are done, I deeply hope and I know that all these antisocial elements will be eliminated, and apart from the annual school sports meet of various schools, apart from athletics, from some committee, we will organize an inter-school football tournament, whereby we will allow 32 schools to participate in our tournament. And all these will happen after all the major transformation of this ground will materialize. And with these few words, I would also like to end my speech. But before ending my speech, like your principal has rightly stated, that sporting activities are very much needed in your curriculum activities, because it will imbibe a spirit of sportsmanship in each and every one of you. And in life, after you have completed your board exams, after you have completed your school, when you start your college life, you will understand what a spirit of sportsmanship is.
Let us all give a round of applause for our school captain Richardson Tangsang, followed by Ishwat Sharma.
Presbyterian School! Dynamic!
Approaching the dais, we have Garnet House with placard bearer Lakintiu Lingdon.
Presbyterian School! Girls, dynamic!
Being led by placard bearer Labet Phila Thongni.
House! Dynamic!
We have Ppss House being led by placard bearer Pidashisha Kharkungor, Commander Mewan Pintingan Pengrob, and flag bearer Christopher Shabong.
Thank you, Sir Samwarlang Dingdo.
In the annual school sports and games in respect to the sportsmanship and for the glory of sport and the honor of our school.